Welcome to Autoscope, where we bring you the most in-depth car reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Dodge Ram, a truck that's redefining power, performance, and modern tech. Stick around as we explore its features, performance specs, and cutting-edge innovations. The 2025 Dodge Ram boasts an aggressive yet refined design. Its bold front grille, flanked by adaptive LED headlights, commands attention on any road. The aerodynamic improvements reduce wind resistance while maintaining the iconic Ram look. Optional 22-inch alloy wheels and a selection of premium two-tone paint options elevate its street presence. Under the hood, the 2025 Dodge Ram offers a range of powerful engines. The base model features a 3.6-liter V6 with e-torque, producing 305 horsepower. For those seeking serious power, there's a 5.7-liter Hemi V8 with 395 horsepower and a best-in-class towing capacity of 12,750 pounds. Dodge also introduces a 6.4-liter supercharged Hemi for the TRX trim, delivering a jaw-dropping 702 horsepower, a beast in its class. Step inside, and you're greeted by luxury and functionality. The cabin features premium leather seats with heating, ventilation, and massage functions. The available 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and 14.5-inch touchscreen with Uconnect 5 provides seamless navigation and entertainment. Rear passengers enjoy class-leading legroom and reclining seats, ensuring maximum comfort on long trips. The tech suite is where the 2025 Dodge Ram truly shines. Standard features include wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Harman Kardon premium audio system with 19 speakers. The truck also supports over-the-air updates and 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, ensuring your tech stays current wherever the road takes you. Safety has been prioritized with advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The 360-degree camera system and trailer reverse steering control make towing and parking effortless. The new night vision assist with pedestrian detection further enhances safety during nighttime driving. For off-road enthusiasts, the Rebel and TRX trims come with a factory lift kit, Bilstein adaptive dampers, and skid plates for added protection. The advanced four-wheel drive system and electronic locking rear differential ensure optimal performance in the most challenging terrains. That wraps up our detailed review of the 2025 Dodge Ram, a truck built to dominate both highways and rugged trails. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Autoscope for